In this video, we will learn how to work with tables in PowerPoint 365, focusing specifically on how to adjust them within your slides. This is an essential skill for beginners who want to create organized, professional-looking presentations. When you insert a table into a slide and then click on it, a special tab will appear on the toolbar. This is the Table Layout tab, which only becomes visible when a table is selected. It provides all the tools you need to customize the table's structure and appearance. Within this tab, you can change the overall size of the table, merge multiple cells together, or split one cell into several. You also have the option to add new rows or columns depending on how you want your table to look or what kind of data you're working with. These tools are especially useful when managing content-heavy slides that include structured data. This layout functionality is an integral part of working efficiently with tables in PowerPoint. It allows you to precisely control the way your data is presented, whether you're preparing a report, showing comparisons, or organizing key information visually. By understanding how to use the Table Layout tab, you'll be able to modify tables quickly and clearly, which helps ensure your slide content remains both readable and visually appealing.